Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we'll be solving this beautiful algebraic question. So given a plus b equals 7 and ab is equal to 10, so you have to find the value of a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then like, comment, and share. Okay, thanks guys for watching. All right, so now let's dive into the solution. So you don't need to solve for the value of a and b here for us to know the value of a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. So this is what we'll be using an algebraic identity. So using the algebraic identity, so using the identity a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. So this is the same thing as a plus b raised to the power of 3 minus 3ab then multiplied by a plus b. Take note of that. So a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 will be equal to a plus b raised to the power of 3 minus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. All right. So now we already have the value of a plus b and we already have the value of ab. So we can now find the value of a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. So this will be equal to 7 raised to the power of 3 minus 3 multiplied by 10, then multiplied by 7. So, and 7 raised to the power of 3 will give us 343 minus, now 3 multiplied by 10, multiplied by 7, that will give us 210. So 343 minus 210, this is going to give us 133. So that will be the answer to that question. Okay guys, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.